Hoteliers love to use some jargons without even realizing that the people that they talk to understand them or not. Today I'm going to pick out some of those commonly used jargons and try to simplify it for everybody's understanding.
EP or European Plan. It means a rate that just includes the cost of renting the room for the night, no meals included. CP, Continental Plan, also known as Bed and Breakfast Plan, that includes a breakfast for the occupants of the room included in the rate. MAP, Modified American Plan, also known as half board. This includes breakfast with one major meal included in the room rate. AP, American Plan, also known as full board. This includes breakfast and two major meals, lunch and dinner, included in the room rate. AI, all inclusive. This is mainly used in many resorts in Americas where you just pay one fee and that includes room, all meals and beverages through the day. Most cruise ships also operate this format. However, in India, AI is sometimes referred as including taxes. So CPAI could mean a room with breakfast and taxes included. APAI could mean a full board including taxes. PAX, it usually means number of persons. This is mainly used in banquets to count the number of guests. So for example, if you say that this is a 100 pax function, it means that this function is attended by 100 guests. Cover. Actually, it is the area defined on the table for an individual diner where his cutlery, crockery and glassware is laid. It occupies an area of about 18 inches into 24 inches, which is about 1.5 feet into 2 feet approximately. Thus, a table for 4 means it has 4 covers. A restaurant which has 10 4-seater tables means it has 40 covers. So the capacity of the restaurant is calculated by covers. KOT, Kitchen Order Ticket. The restaurant order taker uses these to pass on the order taken from the customer to the kitchen, directing them to prepare food. This document, though electronic or app-based now, is used to tally the orders generated during a meal period with the bill raised and paid by the customers. Traditionally, this used to be a paper format with a few carbon copies so that the tallying could be done in a proper way. Check. In restaurant parlance, a check is equivalent to a bill. You may ask for the check or bill upon completion of your meal with an intention to pay and leave. La carte literally means from the card in French. Actually, it means that you have a menu card in front of you and you can choose whatever you wish to have from the menu card. Table d'hôte, another French word, literally means the host table, but it is used to describe a restaurant meal that is offered at a fixed price with very few choices, if any. Maître d'hôtel. A maître d'hôtel is someone whose job involves greeting restaurant customers and supervising the waitstaff. Thus, in short, the maître d' could be referred to as a head of a restaurant. Serviette, it is another word for napkin, which is most commonly used. Now, what do these mean? WC, bidet, and health faucet. WC or water closet seems to have originated in Britain. Most of us now refer to this as Western commode. A bidet is a bowl designed to be sat on it to wash your bottom regions. And a health faucet, known mostly as jet spray, is a handheld device with a nozzle that delivers waters to clean your bottoms. I hope I've been able to define some of the jargons that hoteliers mostly use. Thank you for watching.